treat yourself to a test drive in the 2021 Lincoln Nautilus. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, heated and ventilated seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, a power rear cargo door, lane departure warning, and leather upholstery. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Lincoln ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.